trying to enjoy this hobby and share it with everyone. It is definitely a lot of fun and exhilarating excitement. And you know, it seems like it would be hard in the beginning, but it just takes a little bit of time. I wasn't always able to fly like this. Lots of days logged in on the flight simulator. I think I've got like 70 something days logged in flying on there. In the past year, I got tired of crashing on my planes all the time. So I figured, hey, experience never hurt. It's coming for a landing. Why does this thing keep... What, did my battery slide back or something? What's up with that, dude? Is that wind just picking me up, dude? I can't even come into land. Well, what's going on here? Uh-oh. Alright, we're gonna have to go back around. Oh, my elevator is not working. Uh-oh. This is gonna be interesting. Oh, this is going to be so interesting. What's up with this, dude? Why is my elevator not working now? Let's see if we can get this thing on the ground here. Oh, no. Oh, no. This is not cool. Oh, this is not cool at all. Let's see if we can get her on the ground. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Nobody's coming, so maybe I can just float her in. Oh, please, 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 please. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Come on. Oh, that sucks with no damn elevator. Oh, she's on the ground. Whoa! Alright. Let's bring her back, see what's going on with this thing, man. I thought I felt the elevator earlier trying to go out. I don't know what's up with that, dude. That's two servo. Well, that other servo, I know why I had to replace it. But this elevator servo, I just don't know about that. Yeah, see, I got no elevator movement. Oh, wait. I guess it is moving a little bit, but it wasn't giving me nothing up there, dude. Well, anyway, we're back on the ground. Yep. After that issue, I'm going to run through and check my wiring and everything and make sure that the servo wires aren't coming undone. So, if you enjoyed this exciting flight, that was kind of scary there at the end. Couldn't get no elevator control. But until next time, this is Will Dunn RC, signing out.